Hi, I'm Jan from Venomobile World, and today is a complete different video. Today is a video about things I like to do in not working time. So this is one of the things, hiking in these beautiful mountains here in the Fakarash Mountains. That's like 150 kilometers south of where we live, and yeah, it's really beautiful. But my backpack is like 22 kilos. That's not so funny. I take quite some load from my son. He's like 8, and yeah, if I put real weight in his backpack, we're not going forward anymore. But yeah, Google it, the Fakarash mountain. It's really beautiful, and we have some more beautiful mountains here in Romania. See ya. So my daughter is walking with her spare shoes. So they carry bags of 10 kilo and I carry bag of 22 kilo. In order we get all tired when we're uphill at the destination. If you came all the way here, you might like our content. You could really help us out with subscribing, put the notifications on, let a comment behind what you want to see next time.